So hello and welcome to episode 2 of my FYP diaries. This episode is much more on the chiller side because it's not really peak or say busy season yet, so I hope you enjoy. And yeah, just take it as one of my regular vlogs, and shall we start? So hello, it's currently less than 24 hours before my presentation for my final year project. This is currently phase 1. I still have a few more presentations to go throughout the semester, but today I'll crash by Melisa's place because she lives closer to uni, so we can technically not sleep. And then we can technically work till midnight or even later till the morning, and then we can take in a few hours of sleep and then head to school because she technically lives really close to school. I wiped down my entire room so I have a clean space after my presentation. Usually during presentations I come back home to a really messy room, and I don't want that for this time. Usually my friends, they crash by my place, but this time I decided why not go to theirs because it's much more fun, a switch of a atmosphere and also a study space. I don't plan on bringing my handbag because it's too heavy. I made it.
Yeah!
No, it's giving like a podium or something.
Oh my god, Harry Potter 那个
Melisa's room is like so colorful compared to mine. So colorful. And then we have Miss Debbie at the back. Zeus coffee. I got an iced matcha latte, Melisa got a Spanish latte, and then Debbie got a hot green tea latte. Yay!
Or either just a foundation that's
有没有食材店的可以开？
Zeus! Zeus! 谢谢。
难说。
这个 Oh my god, so cute! 对，我不要摇这个 matcha latte.
杯套
What did you get?
Ice Spanish latte。
Yeah.
Yes.
其实我们跟他们每人是讲华语包的，所以很 weird if I suddenly go in like vlog mode.
Actually 呀，我觉得很奇怪，如果我突然间跟你 speaking，三，耶！
他已经 out of stock 很久了嘞，我还以为他 discontinue 那个 matcha。
结果还有回来哦。
苦涩
呀，
我觉得我要放那边帮我打开
有吗
Hulu is better. No, Hulu is better.
You know I hate that 就是我每次做什么好像不一样 brunch 的那个味道不一样，
Consistency 不一样。
对，它的味道会很不一样。
嗯哼。
对，所以我就like
那时候我很 rajin 的 vlog，
是哦。
而且我每个礼拜出。
哦
Debbie 的头发 ，Oh my god， 你很像 Debbie。
Oh my god！
哇，那时候我的 iPad case 还很 new 哎 ，Now it's like 给狗咬的，我的
Oh my god， 很摧残。我的这 baby 很厉害的 case。
Guys， 其实这个 design right， 我们不喜欢，我们 design 有跟我们很后悔 ，and I felt embarrassed to post it online. It's so ugly. Look at the color. 我们那时候还不会选 color， I swear to God， 我们比较厉害现在。
Yes， 真的，
很丑 ，What is this？
看不下去。
发很丑的，很丑。
等下我们还传到那 ice cream。
We thought we ate, we didn't. Rachel ate lah. Rachel looks good. It is quite nice, but how Chuck 谁有卖？ How did that happen?
我要转紧那个 screw， 然后我以为我已经弄好了，结果我切断了，就可以拿出来。So dancing is something I've always loved and enjoyed. I started dancing when I was 9. Going to dance was a really healing and comforting journey throughout my final year project because I just take it as a distraction. like 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. But yeah, Melissa, coffee. We're gonna make coffee, drip coffee,
tea coffee
可是我没有喝过，他跟我讲很好喝。
好喝
So
like 那个蓝色的好喝
FYI, I know very soku, but this is my first time 你弄 drip coffee.
对，你要转圈圈，对，然后你就加到 OK stop
We slept at 7 a.m. and I'm the one awake now because I don't know, I feel quite awake, but I'm gonna get ready and then I'm going to go through my slides and see if 10 minutes is enough or it's too little for me to present, and if it's too little I'm going to cut short all my slides. That I have went for is Malaka, which is a city full of history, cultural landmarks, tradition blended with today's modern inclusive. It is a blend of reimaginations by different generations. So overall, the idea is to promote tradition and culture as a playground to be rediscovered. Heritage isn't just remembered, it is relived and reimagined by the next generations. Here is the campaign masthead, my logo mark. Hi guys, so I'm going to the KL Illustration Fair today. If you don't know what that is, it is an annual event that is located at GMBB where a lot of illustrators will come and set up their artwork, really amazing, and they will sell their artworks, their pieces, their merch, whatsoever. But I'm going there for the third time. Me and my friends started going back when we were in our first year of degree, so technically one time a year, so that's why we're going. I always envy those who can draw because if I could draw, the world is going to end. But anyways, my boyfriend is coming along with me this year. You know, as the design girlfriend, I like to show him like what design people do, and it makes me excited because I'm like, look, this is what we actually do, and it's really cool. It's not boring. It's not my work, but it's really cool to see. So if you major in design, I highly recommend you to visit this every single year. There's also one called the KL Art Book Fair, which is more so like printed material, the zines. As someone who is still trying to find my design style, this is something that I really like to do. I just like to go there and see and maybe buy some of their artworks that really inspire me. So this is my manifestation for Debbie to get into KL Illustration Fair. If you didn't know, Debbie does black and white sort of drawings, and she does a really great job at them, and I feel like it has potential to get into KL Illustration Fair. So put this here as a manifestation first, and if that happens, we'll see. Let me show you guys the outfit that I'm going to put on for today. This is what I have for now. A tube top and a brown skirt. You think you will spend today?
50.
How much do you think you will spend today?
I want to spend 50, but I don't know, I think it's more than that.
How much do you think you will spend today? 50.
50
50
50 全部人50 这个100 100
gang.
So one thing about illustration fair is that it somewhat is an escape from my final year project. Although it is not exactly the busy season of my semester, but every time I visit this fair, it is always so refreshing to the eye. I do find myself creatively motivated and want to do something about it. And also, this fair isn't just for creatives. Anyone who has a desire for cool and cute things can visit here, because trust me, you won't be leaving this place empty-handed. And honestly, I really recommend this event, and a tip from me is to visit during the weekday, or else you'll find yourself stuck in a massive crowd. And if you guys know me, I am more of a monochrome girly, so anything black and white would catch my attention. It's also because I'm looking for new prints and artworks for my room. But to be fair, 90% of the works here are all super colorful and vibrant, which is such good inspiration for design and also for majority of people. I did buy lots of colorful items, and these artists are all insanely talented people. But I do wish they had more artists lined up who do black and white artworks.
Wow. Shen.
merah nasi lemak.
Oh my god. 超帅.
We had lunch at 2 which is just at the same building. I think this place has one of the best strawberry matchas in KL, but the price is insane for the small portion. Then my boyfriend went to this vendor and was so caught up with their games. It does make me happy that he finds some interest in this when we're not in the same aesthetic, or say even what we study in. I do find this gesture kind of sweet. We spent a total of 4 hours in here to fully explore each booth. It can get pretty overstimulating because of the crowd. I got myself some stickers and just window shopped. There were a lot of things to look at. I kid you not, I could spend more hours in here, but there was just too many people. And then there was this artist that does clay figures of worms, prawns, and also hamsters with an icy replica, which was so creative. I was so tempted to buy this, but I held back.
How much do you think you will spend today?
I want to spend 50, but I don't know. I think it's more than that.
What do you think you will spend today?
50.
How much did you end up spending?
Around 85.
Guilty?
No.
Show your haul.
这样，我你知道，啊啊
Oh my
啊
god.
啊，奇怪，做的
哇，
对，
哦，冬粉。
是的。
So hi guys, I just showered, but I wanted to do a haul of what I got from the illustration fair. So I said I'm going to budget control myself to spend within 50 ringgit. I ended up spending 54 ringgit, which is honestly not bad considering how long I have not shopped for myself in a while. So yeah, I went to my friend's booth and she gave me a paper bag. First I went to this booth called Jen Diary Atelier, and then I got one art print and a sticker. These two are my sisters, and then this is mine. So I'm just gonna show you what mine looks like. And then for the sticker, I went for this because it's pretty cute. I was actually more attracted to the backing because it's so unique. I love it. So I love writing handwritten notes for my friends whenever there's special occasions. So every time I buy items like this, it's only for me to use it and give them away in the future. This time she had a birthday one and then a work buddy one, so really hoping to see who I give this to in the future when I get into the creative industry and when I start having a full-time job. And then I went to this person's store, which I don't remember the name, but I got these cute stickers. I just think these are really nice to keep for myself. I wanted to give my sister something, so I got this for her, even though we went together, but we walked separately. That's all for my haul. Basically, that's it. Oh yeah, wait, I also got something. This is a name card, which is so cool. I decided to take it so I can actually stick it into my journal when I document about this. And I want to show you guys the tickets. So this is how the tickets look like this year. I'm going to stick them in my journal in a short bit. So yeah, I've been into journaling a lot ever since Muji gifted me this book. I really made it a commitment to fill it up every single day, and I think I did pretty well. It's a really big book for a journal, to be honest, but I wrote a lot.